Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a turkey cupcake. So to start off with our cupcake, we're going to actually begin with the eyes. So right here, I'm just going to make a circle shape for one eye. And then I'm going to make another circle shape right here for another eye. Then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each one. And then I'm going to put an even smaller circle at the top of each of these. So I got a big circle, medium, and small. Then I'm just going to color in that medium circle. Now right underneath here we want to make the beak. So I'm just going to make a little sad face. And then I'm just going to connect it with a little V. Then right on the side here, just make a little line that curves down, and then it's going to come back up like this for a little gobble. Okay, now for the frosting. So starting right here, you want to make a line that's just going to curve right to about here, like it's going at the gobble, kind of like a little sideways C. And then I'm just going to make another line that's just going to curve down and then back up to here. And then one more that's just going to curve and then come back up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and then come up to here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and kind of go right up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to curve around to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve out and then come right down to here. And then make sure these are connected. Now we want to make the little holder for it. So I'm just going to draw a diagonal line here and a diagonal line right here. And then connect them with a nice big smiley face. And then I'm just going to make a few little lines going down. Put about 3 lines in here. Now the final step is we want to add some little feathers onto here. So I'm going to put about 5 feathers. So starting here, you just want to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to curve around and then come back down here for one of the feathers. And then you're going to do this a couple more times. So I'm going to put one right here. Then another right here. One right here. And then we'll do one more right here. Now, when making these feathers, I'm going to put a little curved line on the end of each one, just to help make it look like it has a little bit more detail to it. And then I'm going to put another little stripe right underneath it, just to add a little bit more to it. And then the final thing is I'm just going to add some little circles onto here just to make it look like there are some sprinkles on top of the cupcake. And I'm just going to kind of put them all around here, maybe a couple down here as well. Let me put one more here. And there you go, there's your drawing of a turkey cupcake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.